all right. The king is back.
Start by yourself and why you've been offline for a very long time.
I know. That's حنون والله. I miss this YouTube channel. And by the way, in the meantime, make sure to subscribe, like if you are happy to see the video, like if you hate me for being so not inconsistent. I don't know. You post something. idinka idin taala. Yeah? Dad badan ay igu careysan, like igu qabta. Inta faraxsan like igu qabta. Yeah, inta dhexdhexaadkana like igu qabta. No, I don't want to see this. It's so deep. They will make me cry. I'm so emotional now.
Na. Kan uguma na. نيو شرم بوي هاس ودبتي تاع وقت هذه مختار شرم بوي فنانك قرني فنانك سندك وين هاس او هاي كواليتي فوق هنا ودبتي تاع مركز اكو اقونسنا هنا كاميرمان تاعي
Okay, can we start brothers?
Yes.
And sisters?
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mukhtar Nuur. maxaa English ku hadlaya saaxib?
You know I broke my hand marka July iska baxay. The guy I came back to here waxaan u ninkii ogar halkaas marayso. The guy literally didn't have a beard. إلا intuu shave garay some ointment ha jirta oo la marsado. Ninkii he became like wadaad. Wallahi billah.
Assalaamu calaykum walaalayaal, gacalayaal, booyaal iyo baayooyin meel kastoo aad joogtaan oo iga maqlaysaan. Waa Mukhtar Nuur oo mar kale idin salaamaya. I'm back. Saaxiibayaal maanta Q&A baa sameynana. Let's go. Shoot.
The first question comes from Hamdi Mohammed.
Which platform?
On Instagram.
Instagram.
Yes.
Hamdi, how you said that?
Asking you, what is something yes that no one tells you when you want to move back to Somalia?
No one tells me. At that moment, Mr. Hader, when no one told me, yeah.
Probably you want to move back to Somalia.
Okay.
But there's one thing that people hide it from you,
Okay.
and then they want you to see it by yourself.
Okay, of course, they don't tell you, like, research, do your research, ma ku dhahayaan. Kale orod tag, orod bax, wadanka soo jab oo soo go oo soo baaba. Then waxa lagu leeyahay Soomaaliya ka wana lagu leeyahay. Nobody will give you advice. Nobody will tell you, okay, waxaas gal, hebelo Mukhtar Nuur follow garee, wax badan ka baranaysaa. And by the way, they don't subscribe, they watch my content and they don't say, guys, ma ogtahay waxa waa mahadsantiin, at least waxaan bartay, meelaha kala barbartay. Ma garatay? And last but not least, ma u sheegayaan dress code-ka, waxyaalo badan ma u sheegayaan. Haddii gabdho yihiin, iyagu saraawiil marmaraya meesha lagu qabanaya, dhagax lagu shiidaya. Haddii wiilal yihiinna, jagada iyadoo xiranna waa la karbaashaya marka.
Okay, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Magacayga waa Cabdulaziz Bilow Ali. Welcome to Mukhtar's YouTube channel. I'm his partner in crime. Feel free to subscribe. It's just free of charge. Halkaas gambalelka ma aragtay. Taabo hal mar.
So the first question from Dalbot of Toyo 5.
He wad sheekada.
Instagram.
Cool.
Qofkaas wuxuu ku yiri, what did you enjoy while you were working as a reporter?
Should I speak in English or Somali?
You can mix.
The biggest challenge working as a media person in Somalia is that the environment itself is not media friendly. You're talking about a country that's been at war for more than 3 decades. So coming back and trying to synchronize, compare Somalia with other countries, it's a big challenge. So dhibkaas baan la kulanay. I remember coming to Mogadishu the first time was in 2010 and it was a completely different reality. So marka inti maane just owning a camera itself was a liability, was an issue, leave alone walking on the roads, taking pictures. Ilma yar some small kids baa waxaan dhihi jireen mar dambe hadaan doobtin iska jira dhagaxaan baa naloo soo qaadi jiray. This to kick us away. So with time it gradually developed and things slowly improved. People started embracing technology. 2012, 2013, still things were just a bit challenging. But after 2014, 2015, people started realizing the value and the importance of media, and that is when we started developing and growing to an extent that we were showcasing Somalia to the rest of the world. And as you remember, Mukhtar's vlog also started around 2015, after we went through the biggest challenges in showing people the importance of owning a camera and sharing stories online. Tima, A-N-N-N.
Tima.
Yes, that's on Instagram. She's asking you, how do you take your Instagram videos? They look unreal. Any tips for people using their smartphones on how to take good videos?
They look unreal. dadka inta badan way ii sheegaan waxay yiraahdaan fiidiyoashaada aan xoogaa xamooda in xawaashi lagu darayo heel lagu darayo ma aragteen laakiin aan waxaan leeyahay this is real horta. I know they look unreal because behind the scene I'm going to make a video behind the scene horta rafaad badan baa jira. Sometimes waan ku celiyaa multiple times waan ku celiyaa just to get the shot, and sometimes na waxa arkaysaa gariirina ku jiro waa jaraya waa ku celinayaa momentkan waxa laga yaabaa inuu dhaafo rafaad badan baa jira laakiin waxa weeye it's just consistency and practice, confidence hadaa heshid and good eye oo wax walbadan markaa la socotid oo wixii qurux badan Ilaahay ku tusiya oo adduunka dhan aad ku arkaysid wax qurux badan aad jeceshahay wixii rabitaan ka tahay inaad dadka tusiso wax qurux badan wax qurux badan baa Ilaahay kaaga dhigaya marka talabaad niyada waay.
Is there any rules to follow to be clearly floating in Mogadishu without having constraints?
Well, it depends mostly based on the field you're in. So technically what I do is I try to connect with people in various fields, in various aspects. When it comes to technology, you need to look at people who are technology savvy so that they can help you. When you're talking about security, you need to know people who are connected to security field. When you need marketing and banking, you go to the right guy. So basically, and this is one area that helps me because I'm a journalist. The number of connection, I try to interact with as many people as possible, save their contacts, interact them on a rotational basis once in a while. So the more contacts you build in this city, the more connected you tend to become. So every other field, every other specialty, try to get one person or two person who are good in that field. Wallahi billah, you will not regret it, mark my words. Before even to the Somali diaspora, before you even come back to the country, try to create a wider network of people, not just people of your same clan or your same profession. Try to think outside the box, bring everybody on board. Try to look at the guri donisit khof or guri ku dijin line ada moving from one area to another, like literally a wider circle, just widen your horizon. سؤال الويدي ما دام ثانين او عربي او
ولا صومالي بقى انا
ولا عرب صومالي
انا صومالي
ما دام
كلا كولا دعايا كوده.
وحال الويدي.
Hey, by the way, 3T10 is the best I have. I'm not sponsored by Nokia. For some people like عبد العزيز وكلا كانوا كلا لا دعاي كلام مقرتين. It's really hard.
محمد ديبان from Instagram.
Hi محمد.
No, استغفر الله. حاجي عبد الله from Instagram.
استغفر الله حاجي عبد الله. And sorry for Liban.
You know there's this slogan that you made. You say حمر يا بجاج. It's like Mos and Breeze.
Fun fact, حمر يا بجاج is like Mos and Breeze. It came at the most awkward moment. والله أنا أسكت it became a huge trend. What about it?
Just explain this to us. Why do you relate Bajaj and bananas and Somalis?
مركا in Bajaj it became something essential بنقطتي وحين نقطتي part of the culture هدنا. Of course, who eats بريز without موز؟ هدانا الحين قف صومالي like really.
لا أنت مدح أي حنوني. Shout out to Sharma boy. فنان سنتك. فنان غرنقة. مغني محمد جابو.
محمد جابو.
Yes, مغني مختار. Cover on the social media content of Somalia. Rate it out of 10.
والله حدا وحس له منطقة على صومالدو 100% حدا يروح ويحكوا حق بطين social media which is great for people like me أو كفر أحسنها هاي. أنا ما كان بلابي social media I believe in 2007 phone 3 بانكوتش لي دكتور سران دقناي part time نوحن آدي TV local ETN TV اللي يرادو بانكو شقيناي internship هان بانكو شقيناي just my passion following my passion مركز يوتيوب مركان سميناي I remember فيديوهاشا editing كمركان TV كشقيناي أو أنكو فرح سنة مركان فيديو ما تedit قليينو وحن قدرن شري platform كيوتيوب لورن شري مركزنا فيسبوك بابتشرين با مركا I remember سنة كدب وحن أركي لابو views وسأقول له مركا I was very happy at that time 2 views you know it was after 12 months ماتا ملو بحر كذا هذا ماتا قدام بسي مركا حركة إني مش هنشغل مخايد المات ترميش فرديين وكوب شيء مركا دلدلين هالمرة راح تيك توك فيديو ولا بلاوي that's so funny والله are really good Soomaalida waxaa moodaa wacyigii baa la sii kordhay oo dadku waxay barteen أهمية لهذا السوشيال ميديا لكن وحرجنا أن سيدا وجوه ناكسين نستعملها please at least وحال الرباح وح أو productive على ذكر الرباح be creative عبد الصمد عمر
سيف يعني
وحول هاي محاصر دقوا صاحبتنا ولا خليقة مختار ربي هذه الشغل
ما شاء الله سؤال في عواي مختار صاحبها وحانا almost هذه 8 سنة نين أو أدو ناكسين واي نين أو قلبي فرام واي نين أو سومالي لماذا كوين واي nin oo saaxiibtinimada yaqaana oo qiimeeyo waay nin oo bashaash ah oo mar walba iska faraxsan marka literally we clicked. He's the same guy who's showing Somalia to the rest of the world and he has seen his fair challenges also. I think asa idin sharax doono dhibaato badan oo la kulmay just to tell you the stories that he's been able to share. I've been able to travel with him to Puntland, Jubaland, Somaliland, all the way ila dhulkaas Boosaaso ila Sanaag ila dhinacaas dhan waa soo wada marnay marka we've been able to bring the Somali story to the rest of the world through his vlogs and then it has given us a good exposure so nin aad wanaagsan waa nin oo la heli karin waay Damon wey Damon
okay
so amaanta maan kaa badi walaalo
you know your fans on Instagram YouTube meel walba
I know
thank you YouTube aan u janjeerana
welcome YouTube okay Marwa
this is in Somali
af Somali
waxaa lagu yiri waqti dheer oo aad maqnayd aad baan ugu farxay caawa inaad noo soo laabatay waxaan kaa codsanayaa inaad mar kale naga laabato
Can I have a tissue? Give me the tissue bro that's it thank you Marwa way horta waa soo laabanay caawa videoga habada fiirsanaysid alxamdulillah dhakoode ilaahay la soo celiyay Mahad Abu what are the change you have experienced in Somalia Homa for the past 10 years love
xariif waa kaas yaa uu sheegay horta inaan 10 sano xamar joogay horta markaan xamar imaana aad baan u yaraa horta I was very young I think I was aad baan u yaraa so literally I can say in all honesty xamar baan ku aqli yeeshtay xamar baan ku weynaaday xamar baan ku koray literally I can say hadda I grew up in Hamar for a fact.
Excellent. Mustafa 143 from Instagram. Who was your role model during your childhood?
Mustafa, shout out to Mustafa. He's my younger brother. Thank you for this deep question. My role model since childhood. My God. It's just my father. Allah yarhamu. He passed away in 2014 October. He actually he used to be my biggest motivation and what I do today it's part of me trying to honor him marka waxa weeye and one of the reasons I'm wadaka imaaday is actually my parents especially my father and alhamdulillah rabbil alamin without him and without that maanta Mukhtar Nuur you contentigaas ma jiri lahayn so and waxa weeye waxaan leenahay mataqaana I'm very grateful I'm so grateful for that alhamdulillah and ilaah subhanahu wa ta'ala waxaan ka baryayno jannada noo kulansiin insha Allah
aad iyo aad waa dhiirigelintiin waa waxaan halkan ku gaarnay the beautiful set you're seeing behind me the amazing camera work by Mukhtar and Mohammed dhinacaas kale waa constant support and dhiirigelin oo dhankan ka timaaday haddii maalintii koowaad Mukhtar iyo anigana dhihi lahaydeen meesha waxba kuma haysin nagu kala wada waa niyad jab weyn baan ugu dhici lahaa but the constant encouragement has allowed us to continue to thrive and build what we are building right now and we are finding many people like Mohammed came all the way from Morocco. He's also trying to change the media landscape in Somalia marka dadka in la dhiirigeliyo muhiim waa every other field support your own people encourage them build them don't try to destroy them nagu kala wada marka
That's amazing صاحبي thank you for watching the video make sure to subscribe and like and share inshallah فيديو kala soo galinayna saaxiibayaal aad baydin jecelnahay aad iyo aad baydin jecelnahay waan idin xisnay saaxiibayaal waxa weeye tan iyo kulan dambe waxaan rajaynaynaa peace guys
Mukhtar might know about it.
Really?
حنجدة
صاحبه please
حنجدة
Mukhtar.
ما ku raacaysan
sug
حنجد ولي مقول حسن. No, I will throw from here. Don't worry.
No.
No.
For the camera. No.
كلام فاضل.
جيب هذا.
كلام فاضل.
أليس هذا كفرا؟ أليس هذا كفرا؟
يا كينج.
halkii alaabtii dhaxs lagu dhajin jiray orgay dhabaad afka la gashay waaryahay baash waa tuuray
والله دل كات
3 2 1 madaxweyne due to the production cost on weird we are going to hire dadka kat daa mark laba dacas loo galay
لا لا شيء ذاك يمكن يا مايك قط